We'll be needing a toothbrush, styling gel, and any wrapper or scarf that you decide to use. That's my mom's wrapper. A wig cap of your choice. That's my own customized wig cap. And two scarf or anything you can use to make the bun. So firstly, apply your styling gel or edge control if you want, but if you don't, you can style your hair without it. Then when you're done, you brush the edges and put on your bun, like you make a round ball out of the two extra scarves and put them inside the wig cap. I don't know if it makes sense, but you see what I'm doing later on. You make the bun circular and just put it in your wig cap, then wear it. If you want your bun to be behind, then you put the bun behind, but I want mine to be in front, and so that was what I did. If there's any hair escaping along the way, you just push it back in. So yeah, this is my scarf or wrapper or piece of cloth, anyone. So you know the white edge is like, if you're collecting your mom's wrapper, then you know what I'm talking about. You just have to fold or bend to cover the white parts of the scarf of the small scarf or the second wrapper. If you're from Nigeria, I think, yeah, this is the second wrapper anyway. Then you tie your hair just the way I'm doing right here. At first, you want to start with your ear all covered up because you can push it back whenever you want to or however you want to. But if you start with your ear out, when you're done, your ear will be completely out of the hairstyle or your scarf. So it's better to start this way. And of course, even though the white part is showing or is visible, you can change that when you're done with wrapping the hair. You don't need to do much. I'm just go around and keep the ends inside anywhere you find, actually. So now, yeah, I'm just going to start covering whatever parts or changing whatever parts I don't like or I want to modify. And that's it. Very, very easy. You can use any color of your choice. You can use any material of your choice. It depends on you or how you want to dress up that day. So yeah, usually our mom's wrapper, they always have red and yellow. So it's either it's yellow or it's red. But yeah, there's always red and yellow somehow. Anyways, so yeah, mold. Just mold. Be with your mirror. Try to press however you want it to look like. Then after that, that's all. You wear your earrings, or if you don't want to, your choice, and you're good to go. You can have your normal twist out and still look good. Yep. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Yes, and if you're new, please subscribe. Thanks for those that are coming back. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And you can ask me any questions in the comment section. Thank you very much.